For my fourth video, I did Bauer versus Kincaid. So a university student seeking access to criminal investigation and incident reports maintained by campus police held that records support subject to disclosure under Missouri Sunshine Law, Family Education Rights and Privacy Act didn't protect records from disclosure, and if FERPA protected records, it violated equal protection and the First Amendment rights. So it went to the United States District Court in Missouri Southern Division. The school was prohibited from providing the requested documents. FERPA requires that federal funds be withheld from any educational agency that releases records regarding any student without the student's consent. So they claimed that it was not public and it was a governmental body and therefore was not subject to the regulations. So the governmental body, the district court deemed that the Board of Regents was obligated to surrender the records. The university claims that the records were maintained by the Safety and Security Department was simply to attempt to shield the university from requirements. So the court responded to the assertion that the university was not required to provide the requested records because it was protected under FERPA. And then the defendants claimed that the directory information was the only information that FERPA allowed to be released to the public. So this would not prohibit the university from releasing them, even if the reports were covered by the act. The District Court of Missouri ordered the release of all records held by the university, and on the grounds of the Board of Regents was a governmental body and therefore was a violation of MORA. The court dismissed the university's argument that FERPA exempted it from producing the requested information because the act was not intended to protect the kind of information being sought by the newspaper and the students that were seeking the information. And the court's order is amended to award the plaintiff's costs, so it was so ordered.